Hi friends, this video shows how to scan and remove viruses and malwares from the device. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner, go to privacy, go down, select security. So here you can see scan apps with Play Protect. Let me enable this option. When we enable this option, device will scan all apps using Google Play Protect. Let me go to the second option, improve harmful app detection. Let me enable this. When we enable this option, device will send all unknown apps to Google for better scanning and detect viruses and malwares. So we can enable these two options, so that way we can scan and remove all viruses and malwares from the device. Okay, you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.